AI is changing the way we work, learn, and create. But with thousands of AI tools available, finding the right ones can be difficult. Today, I'll show you 7 free AI websites that can save you hours every week and help you become more productive. Let's get started. Tool number 1 is Gamma AI. Creating presentations from scratch can take hours. Gamma AI helps you create beautiful presentations, documents, and reports in minutes using artificial intelligence. Just enter your idea, and Gamma can turn it into a professional-looking presentation. Tool number 2 is Notion AI. Notion AI is like having a smart assistant inside your workspace. It can help you write notes, summarize information, organize ideas, and improve your productivity. Whether you're a student or a professional, Notion AI can save valuable time. Tool number 3 is Leonardo AI. Need amazing images for your projects? Leonardo AI can generate high-quality images, designs, and creative visuals using simple text prompts. It's a powerful tool for creators, designers, and content makers. Tool number 4 is Suno AI. Imagine creating your own music with just a few words. Suno AI can generate songs, background music, and creative audio using artificial intelligence. It's perfect for videos, content creation, and experimenting with new ideas. Tool number 5 is Otter AI. Meetings and conversations can create a lot of notes. Otter AI automatically converts speech into text and helps you organize important information. It makes recording and reviewing conversations much easier. Tool number 6 is Tome AI. Tome AI helps you create presentations and visual stories quickly. With AI-powered assistance, you can turn simple ideas into engaging content. Tool number 7 is Zapier AI. Automation can save hours of repetitive work. Zapier AI helps connect your favorite apps and automate daily tasks without complicated coding. It helps you work smarter and faster. These are 7 free AI websites that can save you hours every week. Which AI tool is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tips. See you in the next video.